Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to work with the FX Group Broker Slave. After logging into your account, you will see the option to create a contest. By clicking on this option, you can open a live account. Or at the bottom, you create a demo account. We select the demo account, click on this option, and in this section you select your width, plus leverage, and the amount of the deposit, which by clicking on Send, as you can see, our demo account was created. In this section, after being active in the deposit section, the parent section will be activated for you. And by clicking on this option, you can create a link. You will be taken to the referral code section where you can share these links. In this section, you will be taken to the Trading Tools section where you will need to register your account to access all the options. By clicking on this option, you can choose your desired network and charge your account. We will make a video about this soon. Also, in this section, you will have access to 3 technical analysis options: Economic Calendar and MT5 Alpha Generation. We will enter Technical Analysis. This section has 4 access options: Forex, Crypto. It is divided into indices, and commodities, where you can change options like ideas, as well as the time frame, which is categorized into intraday, daily, and weekly. In the trend section, it is divided into 3 options: bullish, bearish, and neutral. In this section, you can see information about the currencies. In addition to the information, the second option is the economic calendar. In this section, you enter the economic calendar and you can change the date here. And in this section, you can also change the time. And the third option is MT5 Alpha Generation. By clicking on this option, you download the MT5 program. In this section, you can see the history of your transactions. And after being active on this website, this option will be displayed for you. And you can see your messages in this section by clicking on the callback option. You can enter your name, your full name, as well as your email address, country of residence, mobile phone number, and desired time. After submitting the information, you will be contacted by FX Group Report. By clicking on the Messenger section, you will access your notifications, which can be marked as read by clicking on Mark as Read. You mark your messages as read, and also create an account in your account section. As we told you, you can click on this operation to access this section in your wallet section. You will access the transaction history section, which is what this history means to you, after you have been active in the deposit and withdrawal sections. It will be displayed when you click on Download MT5 Platform, allowing you to download the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the Refer a Friend section, as we explained, you can copy this link. The next section is Educational Material, where you can watch tutorial videos. To be active in this section, you need to make a deposit by clicking in this area. You enter the deposit section. The next part is the Contact Us section, where you can find information about the FX Group website, such as the address, email address, working hours, and more. Additionally, by clicking on the relevant link at the bottom, you can access the FX Group's social media. At the top of the page, by clicking on this option, you can change the language of your account. And also by clicking on this section, you will be taken to the verification section, As you can see, our account has been verified, and we made a video for you in this regard. And in this section, by clicking on this option, you can change the language of your account. And by clicking on a store, you can save. And in this section, you can open a demo account and also live the deposits. Withdrawal section, and if you would like to, download the KYC in PDF format, you can download it. By clicking on this section, you will be presented with three options: profile, password, and logout, which will take you to the profile, which I have explained to you in this regard. Also, in the agreements section, you can download the FxGrow rules PDF files by clicking on store. The next option is the documents option, where you can upload documents such as receipts or ID cards for verification, which I made a video for you in this regard. The next option is the password option. By entering the desired password and repeating it, you can add a password to your account. You can also add an additional password in this section if you wish. Friends, this was the tutorial on how to work with FxGrow. Good luck.